How to fix MacBook keyboard not working. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the system settings on your MacBook and tap on General and then on Software Update. Make sure your MacBook is updated to its latest version, as sometimes keyboard bugs are caused by macOS glitches. A quick update can further solve the issue. See if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, then boot your MacBook into safe mode. In order to do that, simply shut down your Mac and then press and hold the power button until loading startup option appears. Now choose your disk and hold shift and then tap on the continue in safe mode option. This disables third-party software that could be interfering. If that does not fix your issue too, you can go ahead and try to reset your SMC or NV RAM. So, if you are on M1 and M2 Max, just simply shut down your device completely and then wait for 10 seconds and then turn it back on. Now, this will reset Apple automatically. See if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, then you can try to use an external keyboard. Plug in a USB or Bluetooth keyboard. If that works, your built in keyboard might have a hardware issue. And lastly, go to System Settings again and tap on the Accessibility option, and then tap on the keyboard option you see there. Make sure things like slow keys and mouse keys are turned off, as they can block key input. And if that does not fix your issue too, then you will need to take your Mac to Apple support. And if it's under warranty, they'll fix it or replace it for free of cost. So, this is how you can fix keyboard not working on MacBook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.